I'll start by going over what makes a good VPN in China. Since China has a seriously restrictive firewall, you'll want to make sure that you follow all of these tricks to make sure that your ISP or internet service provider can't spy on your data or detect what you're doing with your VPN. Make sure that your VPN uses a quality security protocol. Look for WireGuard or OpenVPN at the very least, but some VPNs, like the surprise top pick on my list, use in-house protocols that are a step up in speed and security. Use a kill switch so that if you accidentally lose connection to your VPN, your connection is cut off entirely to protect your data. Speaking of data protection, a good no logs policy is necessary, and keep an eye out for a RAM-only server, which automatically purges your data occasionally. Arguably, the most important feature for using a VPN in China is obfuscated servers, which let you bypass restrictive firewalls in the first place. It essentially tricks your internet service provider, or ISP, into thinking that you're not using a VPN. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a fan of TunnelBear's cute bear mascot, but without a doubt, it is my favorite design and user-friendly interface on today's list. But don't let its design distract you from its security features, which are no joke either. TunnelBear uses military-grade encryption protocols, ensuring that you'll stay protected online at all times. I also like its Ghost Bear mode, which is designed to make your VPN traffic less detectable, which again is an essential feature for China's restrictive firewall. However, it is worth noting that while TunnelBear provides basic encryption and security measures, it may occasionally face challenges in maintaining consistent connectivity within China. Unfortunately, TunnelBear doesn't have a specific refund policy, but you can make sure that you are always getting the best deal by using the link down below. If we helped you find a new VPN in today's video, then drop a like on this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell to stay up to date on future uploads and all of the latest info on cybersecurity software, tips, and tricks. Remember that it is super important to take your online privacy seriously, and until next time, take care.